Good afternoon here in Shimla, and I will I'll do the video, and it's just because it's mommy's birthday, guys. It's May 23 and it's my mother-in-law birthday today. But actually, I prepared this for so many days already. Like I bought already some, gifts for her. Like usually I just bought it cloth for her. So that's our gift. I bought it, but it's like from the family. So few days ago I already prepared that. But today actually, guys, our our plan was to surprise her. Since last year, actually, we totally forgot that it's her birthday. We remember in the next day, then the birthday already finished. So now, this today, we decided to surprise her. Like I said to everyone, to my brother-in-law, to my father-in-law, that we will not greet her the whole day. It seems like we never knew it's her birthday, and we plan to have like this. If you see this, guys, this is my simple preparation, and we just bought a small cake for her, and we actually plan to do it by actually 6 o'clock, like this. So she don't have any idea yet till now that we are preparing a surprise for her. And whole day maybe she's wondering, no one really greeting her on her birthday. Only actually who greeted her is Rishi, because Rishi said, I will greet on call. Then I said, yeah, you greet on call, because we have a family WhatsApp group. So I said, don't greet there, because everyone become to know, and she will wondering, it's already there and no one is greeting her. So our surprise will be in trouble. So that's what my simple preparation for mommy's birthday. And I bought of some of the uh, clothes that I think that she need. Actually, she doesn't want like this, but since it's her birthday, so let's do it when we can do, when they're already old, so they really deserve the love and appreciation that comes from us, their daughter and son. So that's what we are going to do, and I'm just waiting for them to from buying that cake, and then we will call her here, and I will greet her and give these gifts, and at least she will be happy. She will think that really we forgot her birthday, but actually no, we never. So ayun, guys, I'm just updating you, and update you pala for tomorrow, guys, 24. I'm gonna fly to Dubai, to Rishi, to Abu Dhabi actually. I'm gonna fly to Abu Dhabi for a visit, and I have to do some work there, so I have to go there. Me only am going. I cannot go with Adi. I will not bring Adi, because Adi have some function to do in the school, and he has also schooling. So he's in school, he has still school days is going on, and I don't want him to to take an absent, because actually when his daddy is coming vacation every his vacation, we actually take leave for few days already, for a week. So we don't want to waste days of her school. So that's why I'm decided that I'm the one only going to Abu Dhabi to visit Rishi and to do some work there. So that's it, guys. Hope bear with us while we giving the little surprise for mommy. So that's for now, guys, and I will update you later. Diyan lang kayo. So guys, yan ang penmanship ko. Basahin nyo yung aking inilagay. Okay ba? Basahin ko sa inyo ang inilagay ko. Happy birthday to our amazing mother, the most selfless and loving mother. Thank you for holding us together. A mother who kind, compassionate, and always there for us. You deserve the love that we have for you. Love you always, Goleria family. That's how, guys. So these are the clothes, guys. Some suit, some, cloth, pants that she can use for everything. So let's go out, guys, and check if they already bought the cake, and we'll call mommy. You sing with Daddy G. Say happy birthday, Daddy G.
Bobby, why you put on this? It will remain always stick.
No, it will be easy to.
Yes,
Yeah.
it will-
So guys, now we just celebrated the birthday of mommy. And she doesn't want actually, but we need because Nani G died, so she doesn't want to celebrate. But I'm convinced her to celebrate, just to cut the cake, and that's it. Adi, can you sing with Daddy G? Come, go. Happy. You say no, don't touch. Ade, come na. Go and sit. Go and sit and sing with Daddy G. Go na, sit there. Then we will sing.
Come there, you come.
Then Daddy G will blow and then we will cut. Okay, then sing now. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Ano, mommy, blow you the candle first then.
पहले फूक मारना
Mommy, blow the candle then.
फूक मार आधी फूक मार
Adi, blow the candle.
नहीं जो नहीं लगाना ज्यादा
One more, all.
ये फूक ही नहीं निकालना
Very good. Then we cut the cake and
We'll take this one.
do this one.
Mama, we take.
Daddy.
सकल भी है देखने लायक बी जस्ट वेट
What is it?
It's just watching phone. Go there and check it.
Which one I take it?
Jesus.
जरा सा कर
Oh. Picture. Huwag kang malikat, anak.
आज तो गर्मी में ऐसे ही होता
Take video.
बड़ी बहू
Ah. What happening to this?
मम्मी आपको पता था कि आपका बर्थडे है?
Only. Look there.
ये क्या अच्छा टेप लगा दी टेप मिल गई थी टेप
हाँ, mommy?
हैं कहाँ मिली
देख
वीडियो है ये।
Find me the video then. I will just take screenshot for the picture.
Mama,
Go.
can we take this one?
You give yourself.
वीडियो है ये।
Please go there.
वीडियो में कुछ बाई
Fine. Picture, I can take a screenshot from the video, Daddy. Fine.
What happened? Are you fine? You want to eat more cake?
Yay. Fine.
Mummy.
Mami Kalu.
I see. Only.
Chike. Ayan. So, that's how simple we celebrated Mommy birthday. It's just because of many had happened this year. We in India actually usually we are not celebrating, but still it's her birthday. So I said last year we forgot actually. So now we are just trying to celebrate her birthday. Then push it. Hold on, I'll just give to
Hi, Sanjay.
Then
हैं
Mommy, this is for you. Don't feel bad, but last year we forgot, right? So this is for you. It's a gift for you. This is like cloth, something that you can use every day. Sige. Sige. Don't be sad. Naniji will be happy. Masaji will be happy that you are happy. Don't be sad. Okay? Yan na guys. Punta na tayo sa ating, sakay na tayo sa airplane guys. Ayan, naglalak pa yun guys. Tayo. So ayan guys, nakarating na tayo sa Dubai. Maaga pa, 6:30 pa lang. 7 out ni ate. Si ate ang kakaon sa akin. Si Rishi naman kakaon din, kaya lang galing po siyang Abu Dhabi, so malilate siya. So hindi ko alam kung paano. Kung kami ba ay saan magkikita. Let's see. Saan? Ayan na, airport ng Dubai. Masaya. So let's see guys how it is. So ayan guys, oh. Tayo. Ito tayo immigration. Immigration. Makalator tayo. Hawaii, ang lola naman ng pants. Itong bata. Sabay ko sa flight. Ito pa din ni Rolex ang relo. Diba? Train pa ata ka. Ayan guys. Ito tayong immigration. Haba ng pila doon. Wala pa siguro si ate. 7 o'clock pa ang uwi ni ate. Galing work. Tapos ano? Tapos ang social airport dito sa Dubai guys. May pa-train sila sa loob. Ayan. So wait tayo sa second batch ng train. Mapunta immigration guys. Magte-train ka pa. Ayan. 5 minutes lang naman yun. 2 to 3 minutes ka nun. Nice, no? Ayan. Ayan guys.
Located at the end of the platform.
Daming Chinese. Chinese. Next train in 3 minutes guys. Sakay tayo.
Train is arriving. Please stand clear.
social in Dubai, di ba? May patrain sa loob ng airport. Let's wait too. Open the door. And let's have a seat somewhere. Immigration. Immigration. Kahabaan to. Saan tayo? Kita nyo guys, ang haba. Oh. Ang haba ng tao sa arrival. Guys, haba ng pila. Puro, ang daming Chinese if you can notice guys. From China. Liliwaliw siguro sila dito sa Dubai. So, ayun ang haba ng ating immigration. Pila. So many. So, a lot. May pasaka ako guys. Di ko alam kung saan yun. Pasain kasi ako. For sure, malilate pa yung si Rishi kasi galing pa ng Abu Dhabi. 6 o'clock pa ang tapos niya. Tsaka pa siya aalis. Si Ate ang mauuna. Tsaka si Big. Ayan. Let's see how it is. Lord, be with me. Please. Bear with me, Lord. Guys, ang Dubai. Ang dami no. Update ko kayo mamaya guys. Okay, pila muna tayo. Yan guys, sa pila pa rin tayo. Ang haba pa rin. Kabila ay mahaba. Officially guys, welcome to Dubai. We're done in immigration. Now we're heading to a baggage counter guys to get my luggage. Big luggage. Let's see. I have to close my phone here. Guys, hanapin natin ang ating Islamabad. Baka sa dulo. Ano ko sa dulo pa yun? Yung India. Hanapin natin. Ayan guys. Nilagay ko na akong bag. Let's find our baggage counter to see where our baggage is. Yeah, this one. Chandigarh 1381. Yan, dito tayo. Dito tayo. Here's our luggage. Parang ayun ang akin ah. Nakadaan na ah. Ayan guys. Oh, ito. Ayun ang akin guys. Naibaba na. Thank you Lord. Ayan. Thank you sa nagbaba. Thank you. Ito ang akin, right? Kasi tanda ko to. Ito yung akin. Red. Ayan. And this is my thing. Let's put how we can put. Dalawa guys, ang dala ko. Isang maliit para sa damit. Isa sa mga pasalubong. Kasi may gisya. So, it might leak. That's why I separate my cloth. So, ayan. Let's put it out now. Let's put in now. Diyan muna kayo guys. At ilalagay natin itong baggage natin. Yeah. Let's do first the big one, then the small. Yeah. Girl power tayo ngayon. So, ilagay na natin yung isa. Ilagay natin yung isa. You're done. Let's go out now. Kaya exit. Thank you. Ayan. Naka-uniform pa si ate galing work. Hindi na siya umuwi ng bahay. Ay, nako. Nothing to declare. Exit. Na natin. Dito na ating sundo. Si ate palang tow. Relax pa yung dalawa. Uy! Nauna pa ako sa inyo. Relax pa kayo dyan ah. Ano yung dalawa? Hello! I miss you! Guys,
Yes, already.
metro na tayo.
We just wait there, ha? Okay, you park your car and just wait there, okay?
المحطة الأخيرة لهذا القطار هي
Where are you now?
إكسبو 2020.
Baka mauna pa tayo.
We're
Mauna
already
pa tayo.
The final destination of this train is Expo 2020.
No worries.
The
We're
next
already in
station
the
is
metro. Now we're going in Brigada.
Jijico.
Jijikaw. Ayan guys, yung mga station na metro. Ang dami. Green line and red line ang tawag dyan. Ang haba. Connections. Si Rishi nasa ano pa nga, malayo-layo pa. Hintayin na lang namin sa bahay.
Oh, wait. Nakita ko.
Ayan guys, magtatap muna tayo. Wala na siya. Zero. One way lang to guys. Itong card ko is one way lang yan. Ayan. Sa Metro card ito guys. Yan. Yan ang Metro card ng Dubai. One way lang to. Kasi hindi naman ako dito mag-stay. Tapos exit tayo. Ayan na guys. Ang labas papunta na kami sa accommodation ni ate. So ayan. Ayan na guys. Guys, dito kami kakain sa parang Chinese restaurant. Makikita mo na lahat ng pagkain dito. Pansit, dumplings. Ayan guys. Oh. Kasi since malapit yung aming kusina Pilipino sa mga Chinese, kaya ayan. Ang dami rin dito kumakain na Pilipino. So many. So many. Guys, ito sushi ito ni Athena. Ito yung sa akin. Gusto kong tikman to guys kasi Japan, 'di ba? Sa Japan mo 'to makikita eh. Ayan oh. Tikman natin kung anong lasa nito. Bababa ka muna kayo. Saan na natin? Tikman muna tayo ng bago. Kita nyo Chinese ang so ito ang bukasan. Dito natin siya buksan. Yan. Di ba? Panalo. Ano siya? Buksan natin. Curious ako kasi sa Japan mo lang ito makikita mga ganito. May seaweed kasi siya. Parang tingnan natin. Sarap. Masarap naman ito sa lasa. Salmon ang flavor niya. Silit pa. Talaga ito pinapanood lagi ng mga mukbangan. Finally. We don't have drinks ba? We forgot. Ano kang... Sabi ko naman gusto ko ito. Parang mga milky gano'n.
Pag gusto mo mag-shirt,
Basta sa akin, okay lang. May zago siya sa loob. Zago, Kahit coffee na may zago, okay lang. Or ano yun? Ube. Or, ayan. Basta may sago, lamihan. Seaweed guys. Chopstick pa kami.